The POLTI Vaporetto Smart Steam Mop combines a full-size floor steamer with a detachable handheld unit, so it can tackle everything from kitchen tiles to upholstery without needing separate tools. Its generous set of 12 accessories, including a glider for rugs and carpets, makes it surprisingly versatile for grout lines, car interiors, and awkward corners. High-pressure, high-temperature steam gives it strong cleaning power, helping to loose stubborn grime that ordinary mops and spray cleaners tend to leave behind. The swiveling head and long microfiber pad cover a wide area yet still reach under furniture, which speeds up whole room cleaning on hard floors. Adjustable steam levels and a long continuous runtime mean you can move from delicate sealed wood to tougher tile in one session without constant refilling. Because it relies on pressurized steam instead of harsh detergents, it is a good option for households trying to reduce chemical use while still keeping surfaces hygienic.